Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell.
Hi everyone, we are a group of students working together to help kids like ourselves learn different skills that will benefit them in the future. Our group is called ARTS, Appreciating, Reviving, and Teaching Skills. Throughout the year, our goal is to teach as many young people as possible basic knowledge of what we think are diminishing skills. Kids nowadays do not know how to do the basic skills such as cook, repair, sew, garden, and woodwork. We know that there are many other skills that are slowly decreasing. However, we decided to go on the ones that we just mentioned.
We want everyone to see the value in these skills that can provide students skills needed to thrive and survive.
Each month we plan to focus on a new skill. We will teach you why it is important, tools that you will need to achieve learning the skill, any safety precautions you need to know whenever you're trying to achieve the knowledge of the skill, and how to actually do the skill.
To help teach as many students as possible, we have created a YouTube channel. Our YouTube channel is called ARTS.
We will be hosting a clinic every month that we hope our school and community members will attend. They will be action-packed and fun.
Look for flyers to come home with information about the clinics. For those of you that are watching on YouTube, subscribe, like, and view us often on our channel. We can't wait to appreciate, revive, and teach you skills.
Appreciating, reviving, and teaching skills.